Bro, we at Howl-O-Scream. Jeff McDayer. JoJo. Say hi.
He was scared.
Yeah, Busch Gardens Howl-O-Scream.
Why did I do this? No.
You're not supposed to be doing that.
Bro, I keep forgetting my lights on. All right, just got out of Lumber Hack and Dystopia. What y'all guys think of those two? You scared? Jonah, what'd you think of it?
Yes. I do almost hit me with this chainsaw.
I was sitting down.
Dad, Olivia. What y'all think of? Olivia, what'd you think of those two houses?
The first one was not that good, but the second one was good.
The second one was good.
Let's try this one.
All right, so we are in line for our third haunted house. Jeff, what run are we doing?
Frostbite.
Frostbite. We got the smoke going on. So ready for the night. Dad, Olivia, Jonah, say hi.
Hey.
Which one are we doing next?
We are doing Frostbite.
Frostbite.
We're doing chicken nuggets tonight, bro.
So this frost bites.
Ow!
It bites. Yeah, it really bites.
No, it doesn't.
That's what they say in this.
Jack, don't say that.
Bro, when we went in Lumber Hack, man, when I tell you that one got me for real. Like that changed.
Still got me winded, bro. I'm winded from that. Like, that's how scary it was. I'm winded from that.
And Jonah didn't cry in any one. He is real good.
I was the loudest one.
All right, so we just did Frostbite. We just got out of Frostbite. We're in the line for Revolting. Geoffrey, how was Frostbite? It was boring. Like, it was alright, but I mean,
It was like nothing, bro. It was sucky, bro. Like, I literally walked in the whole time like this.
Jonah, what'd you think of Frostbite? Trash. Olivia? Frostbite, how'd you think of it? Frostbite was a returning house from 2017. And it just got, I don't know, it maybe just didn't feel that good or anything. I don't know. We're in line for the Revolting right now. Jonah wants to line.
The only thing is, it still wraps all the way around there like 5 times.
I know.
And we still have to go to this house, which wraps around like 7 times.
I know, bro. I wanted to walk through those other territories, though. Jonah. Be good, though, because this is birthday. All right, guys, so this is the office of Gertz and Scar Swap. There's Geoffrey right there. We're just waiting. It's the office. Somebody left their cup there. Oh, that's not funny. Right. It's Dan, Olivia, and Jonah. We're in line. You can't open that. What's that paper doing there? Oh, that lightning's loud. Oh, we got him.
That's my what?
In line for Revolting. About to do the Autobahn ride. Bro. Revolting. Bro, the black horse. JoJo.
As a reminder, loose articles are not permitted. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time.
Look at my dad about to ride a Revolting. Those people.
As a reminder, loose articles are not permitted. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you. During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the car with your head back against the headrest.
Look at my dad about to ride the Verbolten at night. Good luck, Dad! Oh, he's off into the Black Forest. Put your phone up! Put your phone up.
Sticking my phone in my
Alright guys, we're next. Our cars. That's my ride, y'all. That's my ride right there. My ride.
And enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
Put that phone away, but put that phone away.
Alright, we just got off. We just got off Verbolten. Vampire Point. I hope there's actually people here. Oh, that's a territory. I keep thinking that's a creature. This is Vampire Point. All the vampires is, except there is no vampires. Look at all the fog. Let's go. Jeff, I feel scared just walking through this. I feel scared just walking through it. Now we go across the Spider Bridge. Spider Bridge. Oh, I got that too. All the spiders. Now this next scare zone is Axe Alley. Axe Alley. This is a Viking themed territory. Axe Alley. Bear. Halloween bear. Axe Alley. Oh, and there is creatures out tonight. Oh, wait. Geoffrey, I feel scared just walking through this. Jack is back. All right, this is Fool's Court. None of the creatures are out tonight. But this is where you would kind of see.
No, because they have fries.
Okay, so only the houses had creatures tonight. Because I think this is the last weekend.
Which is back.
I think. Okay, that's Fool's Court. There was no creatures out tonight, which was sick. Oh, look! Huh? That's a show, and that's not good for probably Jonah. Because it has like adult content and everything in it. Oh, okay. It has... Oh, look at that.
Like what, son?
Like adult content.
Like what?
Woo! I feel scared just walking through this.
Why? It's just foggy and...
Strobe lightings. Woo! It's scary, huh, Jonah? Scary. Who actually thought that was a... None of the scares me. I'm surprised none of these scares me. Just the houses. The 5 houses. Bro, how's it feel to be at Busch Gardens Howl-O-Scream?
My knees hurt.
My knees hurt.
I'm scared. Tired. Hungry. Cold. Sleep.
Here's some more Ireland fog. I got him. Dad, can I get a picture with him real quick, please? Huh? Can I get a picture with him? Bro, I was gonna get a picture with Jack because guess what, everybody? Well, for start, it is Halloween. Jack is back. He's back this year at Busch Gardens. As you can see, we got some hanging pumpkins here. For starters, Jack is back. But they cut the line out for the night, so sucks. So I wanted to get a picture with him so bad. But it's all good. Now we're going to eat. Now we got to go through this crows and all that. Huh? This is where all the pumpkins and crows are. That is really cool. Come on, guys, move. Whoa, it sure is scary here at Busch Gardens. I feel uncomfortable just walking through all this. But very, very fun night. I loved Busch Gardens Howl-O-Scream. throat though, like. Okay, those cars are kind of creepy, man. So yeah, Olivia, what'd you think of tonight's event? It's too cold.
I thought it was fun, but it was too cold. Wait.
What was your favorite house? Lumber Hack?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one was my favorite. That one got me for real. Like, I got scared the most in that house. And you know, it's really good. Now, we're about to hit Ripper Row, which there is no scare zone, no people in this, which is sad because I really want to see the territories too. I think they're done for the year.
They gotta do all this once a while.
Huh? They got a what tomorrow?
They gotta do all this again.
All right, so we're hitting our last scare zone, and it is Ripper Row. It's actually a really cool lighted up scare zone. And of course, you got Monster Stomp on Ripper Row. That's a cool show. Heard it's really awesome. Geoffrey, how's it feel to be in Ripper Row? Ripper Row, this is the scare zone. I feel hungry.
We hope you enjoyed your day. Starting.
Oh, I did. It's pretty scary here. Ripper Row, it's scary. Look at all the hangings. And now we're gonna go get some food at Wait, we're going to McDonald's, right? Yeah, that's where we're going, McDonald's. It's really fun coming to Howl-O-Scream. Even though there was no territories tonight, it was just 5 houses. We only went in 3, and I actually really enjoyed the event. Like, it wasn't that bad at all. Did you enjoy it? Oh, I'm so proud of you. Give me a high five. You did such a good job tonight. What was your favorite house?
My favorite house?
Uh-huh.
Probably
Lumber Hat? Everybody's favorite was Lumber Hat. That is cool. So we're exiting now.
The scariest one was probably the first one.
Yeah, have a good night. Have a good night.
First one was terrifying.
Dystopia.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one got me too, for real. Frostbite, that one sucked.
That was just... I walked through there and I was like, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? It's your boy Geoffrey.
Yeah, Frostbite was a returning house from 2017. That really wasn't probably it wasn't the best house. I mean, that's probably the weakest out of all of them. The ones we missed tonight was the Vault, Overtaken, and Demented Dimensions. Those are the 2 we missed it tonight.
Dimensions was packed.
Yeah, it was packed.
Had a
Oh God,
square-
we can still hear some people screaming.
No,
Feels like Halloween for real, even though it's over. It was like.
I'm surprised that they still have Halloween open.
So
in
yeah, I
November.
think our house tonight was Lumber Hack, but we're about to go get some. Oh my God, that lady almost scared me. But great night. Loved the.
Yeah, not just games. Imagine people went at Busch Gardens
Great-
this time.
great
And we
night.
just got started. No.
You know what? I'm just glad, Jonah. I'm just glad we came to Howl-O-Scream this year. I'm so glad we came. I wish that Circo Sinistro and Sideshow Square thing was open. And I think even though if that was open too, that wouldn't have no creatures in it either. Dude, I really wanted to see those territories though, and I really wanted to get a picture with Jack. Like, oh my gosh.
A picture with Jack would be good.
Oh yeah, I was so pumped that thing.
I would be like, Jack is back. You would probably say Jack is back.
But yeah, Jonah, have fun. I'm so glad. Happy birthday, JoJo. So yeah, this is our little vlog, and we might make a little one when we're at McDonald's. So yeah, the event is very fun. I recommend it for real. So yeah,
What was the scariest one?
Lumber Hack got me for real. Like,
That thing got me.
and Geoffrey kept holding on to me the whole time. So
Remember that one where that dude came up to you was like this?
come on.
That dude came up to Geoffrey and you. That lumberjack.
Mhm. Hey guys, Zachariah Hodge here. I just came to tell you guys about my experience at Busch Gardens Howl-O-Scream 2019 this year. I have to say that I had a great time. This was my second time to Busch Gardens Howl-O-Scream. My first time was in 2014, and that is, of course, when I went with my mom and my sister, and it was just me, my mom, and my sister. And and here in 2019, I went with it was me, my dad, Olivia, Jonah, and Geoffrey. And I have to say that when I went to the event this year, I have to say it was pretty good. Like, I actually really enjoyed myself. But I just wanted to give you like a little things of clip of the stuff we did. I'm sorry if the vlog was kind of was not the best vlog I've done. It's because, you know, when I'm with my family, I don't like to record as much as I used to do, because a lot of times they'll like tell me to turn it off and stuff. So I'm sorry if I didn't get like the best vlog for y'all. Like, I know I didn't film in like Garden of the Souls. I didn't film in the houses. And well, I didn't want to film in the houses because obviously if I film in the houses, you know, they'll tell me to turn it off. But because, you know, there's no filming in the houses. So yeah, I had a great event. I had a great time at the event. But they had the only thing they had that night was just the 5 houses. They had Dystopia, Lumberhack, Frostbite, Dementic Dimensions, and the Vault Overtaken. And I did not do all 5 houses. I only did 3, and that was Dystopia, Lumberhack, and Frostbite. And I think I have to give it to Dystopia and Lumberhack. I really enjoyed those 2 houses, especially Lumberhack. Lumberhack, I think, got me the most, and I think it got everybody else the most too. Like, I think there was, I don't know, it was just more scarers in there, and it had like a chainsaw person would chase us. It had chainsaws. It had I like this guy. He's the I think the house guy. So there's some guy, like, he'll just pop out of that like a little house and then just like yell like "Dar, dar, dar, dar." But that's the open house guy, I think. But yeah, so Lumberhack, gotta give it to Lumberhack. Lumberhack and Dystopia. Dystopia was awesome too. Geoffrey kept holding on to my arm and he kept squeezing. He was so scared. He was more scared than Jonah. And, you know, I thought Jonah was going to probably be more scared out of all of us because, you know, he's only 8 years old. So, yeah, Jonah's first going to Howl-O-Scream. He did really good. It was his birthday. We were celebrating his birthday that night, and he did amazing at the event. So what we did was the first thing we did, we rode the Loch Ness Monster first, because the little Jonah wanted to ride that first because it was his birthday, so he got to pick. We rode Loch Ness first. So it was very cold when we went to Howl-O-Scream this year. It was like in the 40s this year. So it was very cold when we went to Howl-O-Scream. So, yeah, we rode the Loch Ness Monster first. Then we hit the first house, which was Dystopia. Dystopia had like a 15 to 20 minute line. And we had to wait in line, and then we got straight on the ride. And it was pretty good. I love the scares in there. It felt real in there, like I was really going into another world. It feels like, you know, you're exiting Busch Gardens and going to that other world is what they say. And so Dystopia, that was a really good night. So we walked through, after Dystopia, we were trying to walk to our second haunted house, which was supposed to be Circo Sinistro. But unfortunately, Sideshow Square and Circo Sinistro was closed that night due to the construction of the new coaster coming in 2020, Pantheon. And which I was kind of upset about and kind of happy at the same time. I was upset that I didn't get to experience the Circo Sinistro house, because everybody's be saying like the circus part of Howl-O-Scream, the circus, Sideshow Square, and Circo Sinistro are probably the best things they have at Howl-O-Scream this year. Like everybody goes to that area, and so I'm so sad. I'm so disappointed that I actually didn't get to experience that this year. And then I was excited because, you know, that's Pantheon. I'm super hyped for that coaster next year. So gonna ride that. And then, you know, and so we walked through our first territory, which was Garden of the Souls. I did not film in that one, but we went through it. Just to let y'all guys know too, none of the territories were open. The only thing you would hear was the music and the strobe lighting. Like, that's the only thing you would get in those mazes. Like, it's music and you would see a strobe lighting. Like, it's colorful strobe lighting. But none of their creatures were in there. There was nobody in there. I feel like they're done with the territories this year. So it was sad that we didn't get to experience all those territories. So the only thing they just had that night was the 5 houses and Jack is Back and the shows. And so yeah, there was only those stuff that night. So we were walking all the way to the Oktoberfest. We went to the Fest House, and then that's where we hit our second house, which was Lumberhack. Lumberhack was only like a 15-minute wait, luckily. And yeah, we experienced that. My parents, my dad and Olivia were so scared because it was going deep into the woods. And you already know they don't like wood mazes. And so, yeah, I think Lumberhack was the house that really got us the most. It really got me the most. And, you know, I just loved getting scared so much in that house. And then after Lumberhack, we were going to hit the Vault Overtaken. But, of course, that line felt so long. Like, I was like, that house must be good because that line is long. And so, yeah, so we couldn't do the Vault Overtaken, sadly. And so that's where we went to Dementic Dimensions, but everybody wanted to go to Frostbite, so we had to wait in a 45-minute line just to get to Frostbite. And what was sad and weird about Frostbite is that we just waited in a 45-minute line, and that house just wasn't that good. Like, I was like, what? Like, they should just really get rid of this because it's really not that. I mean, it's like, it's okay, but you're not going to get like probably jump scared the most. Like, that house is just not going to get scared. I mean, they might keep it for one more year and then after that it's done. And so, yeah, Frostbite was like, like it was okay, but it wasn't that good. So that was kind of weird that we had to wait in a 45-minute line just for that bad haunted house. And so after Frostbite, that's where we hit it. We went to go check the line for Dementic Dimensions, and that was a long line too. After waiting in that Frostbite line, they did not want to wait in another long line for a house. And so we were like, yep, no Dementic Dimensions. Maybe next year if it's there. So so instead of Dementic Dimensions, we went to go ride Verbolten, which was like a 45-minute line, just like Frostbite. So, and that one actually moved way faster than Frostbite, luckily. And we rode Verbolten, got Wolves sound effect, got the Green Train Wolves sound effect. That was a fun ride. It's always fun to ride it at night than the daytime, in my opinion. I really like Verbolten. That is such my favorite ride. And Geoffrey McNair kept screaming the entire ride, which was so annoying. But really enjoyed the ride. It was very fun. It was cold riding. It felt like 20 degrees riding that ride. Like, that was more cold than Loch Ness Monster. So after the Verbolten, we headed for the Rheinfeld area and went to Vampire Point, and we hit Vampire Point, Axe Alley, and Fool's Court. All 3 of those territories had no creatures on it. Like I said, they did not have the territories that night. It was just their music and their strobe lights. That was the only thing on that night. But none of the characters were there. So all you just do is just walk through them and not get scared a bit. And so, yeah, we walked through all those and we were just on our way out. Like, that was our end of our Howl-O-Scream experience. So that night we only hit 3 houses, including Howl-O-Scream: Dystopia, Lumberhack, and Frostbite. And we have to give it to Lumberhack. Lumberhack, for the people who love Lumberhack, I have to say that is probably one of the best houses I've been through. And I just love, I love a Woods house like that. Like, I think these characters did a great job on just their acting. I love it all. And you know, Lumberhack and Dystopia was not actually pretty good too. That I have to give it to that one too. Like, that one was pretty good, and I thought that one was going to be a little boring, but it actually turned out pretty good. And Frostbite, I mean, it's okay, but it isn't that perfect house. But yeah, Howl-O-Scream 2019, pretty good. I had actually a very good time this year. I actually thought I wasn't going to go this year, so surprisingly, I did on the last weekend. So that was totally a surprise. I didn't think I was going to go this year. And so I really hope I go again next year. And, you know, I just love Busch Gardens. I love their work on these mazes and territories. I just love their work on their Halloween event. It is just so good. And their Christmas event, too. I love just Busch Gardens' work on these two events, two holiday events. And they're just a very good park. I really enjoy their work. And so, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys some just of some things of what we did that I didn't vlog. So yeah, I really enjoyed the event. I hope you enjoyed my vlog, and I hope you stay in touch to my channel, as always, like I said. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Keep in touch with Zachary Hodge, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.